Xposed agent name is Ben Bruce, baby. I will be able to check a Sienna and Mao. Igbo King. Eltu voye na nim guase. Ai na nim guase pa. Was he inviting him? Sana Black Rasta eka. He put your Black Rasta am by better wash.
Igbo King. I was officially invited by Otumfuo for funeral. My brother, it's all over the internet, radio and TV in Ghana and beyond, that a certain man who calls himself the Igbo King of Ghana, this man that you see here, His Royal Majesty Chukudi Jude Ihineto, he's been in Ghana for so many years. He's married to a Ghanaian woman. His children are Ghanaian, Nigerian children who all bear Nigerian and Ghanaian names. According to him, it all started in 2012 when his own Igbo people came together and said, it looks like we need a representative aside the Nigerian High Commission, traditionally to represent us. And they chose him as the leader, the chief, the king, the emperor, depending on how you want to refer to him. My brother, my sister, he was only supposed to oversee the interests of Igbos in Ghana. Gradually, their numbers started increasing, and many people came to him from Igbo land to learn about the Ghanaian culture and how to even live in Ghana. My brother, my sister, from 2012, when he was installed as the chief, the emperor, the king of the Igbo people in Ghana, he decided to spread his wings and also go around introducing himself to all the prominent people of this country. My brother, my sister, this is His Royal Majesty Chukudi Jude Ihineto. He's all the way from Nigeria. Igbo Kweno. And you hear him say, Zwekweno. This is the man. Now, in 2012, he went all the way to see the Otumfuo. And this is him shaking hands with the Otumfuo. My brother, my sister, to introduce himself officially to the Otumfuo. And there he is, Otumfuo and his elders sitting down. This is a photo from 2012. From that time, he's been a friend of the palace, Manshia. He will go in and out, meet with Otumfuo, talk to Otumfuo, seek his advice and all that. And they always welcome this gentleman to the Manshia Palace. Many people have come to see him as a man who loves to meet so many different people. Unfortunately, for the so-called Igbo King in Ghana, everything went haywire.
Hey, what did you do? Make up the show. Otumfuo or your father. Until Obiaba Obechiano. It does not mean say what you want to say we are in Ghana. Yes. Osha Malik, Wamahinfumo, Wamubai, Niger Ahenfubai, Nigeria Ahenfubai, Togo Ahenfubai, Senegal Ahenfubai. Omu na be pay homage to Otumfuo. More money no, Otumfuo the influence no, it goes beyond Ghana. Jamaica Otumfuo odi ade wo. Jamaica. Ya land bi wo man, e ya Santamai wo, Otumfuo odi ade wo. It's working. By you coming say me be chia no does not mean say Otumfuo for also. Na no Otumfuo here na I na twagu no I will do ho. Yes you che, wo yi ni che, wo yesi ba, oba yesi ko. Wasi o mani tatu nchia ko. Oko nyina no say ene de me chi Otumfuo pa. Na chese me wie. Ba ni bi. Ewia so. Me say Otumfuo is a wise man. Because Otumfuo atete ni amabi guy ni ye oba no etwa picture ya Black Rasta de be kire e ya okochi Otumfuo a memet me akochi Otumfuo. There's nothing wrong with it. Me ko palace na Otumfuo bia ba Bruce met me akochi ano na maba me be chia wo. Onka jam so me ho be chia me afuto bi odbe ma me oyeja. Papa we sa woko dom ha ma ho mu atwenti ni etwa. Wo se han dom ha ma kwa aka. Eti Otumfuo targeting na catch him kwanse masa papa bi no chache red no ba pamono into do ho no me ye no so you che no wo hiye yesi koto o yesi o se mami ko se ko o to fu a chere say you see kwasi asem na guy ni timi ye wa kra no o timi ye wa Asante region you dare not na mi wo video bia prostitution ankofobi akọ high die and Nigeria see I am baby say omo ya prostitute I allegedly no man link it to and the Igbo kino ya go video nem da
2 minutes of cut it. Huh? Speak loud.
My name is Ike.
From where, please?
From
Olu where? Huh?
I'm from Igbo.
Imo State.
Imo State, yes.
Olu
Yes.
town from Imo State.
Yes.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Just listen to 1 month now.
What is your name?
My name is Xposed Divine.
Divine.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years. My God. How long have you been in Ghana?
27th of this month will make me 2 months.
2 months. You are from Imo State.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Arr3rst. I'm from Igbo State. That was not
South.
Sorry.
that was south.
Sorry. You will be fine in Jesus' name. God will take care of you, my children. What is your name, sister?
My name is Selina Danju. I'm from Plateau State.
Oh, mommy. How old are you?
I'm 18 years.
How long have you been in Ghana?
7th of this month will make me 2 months.
Oh.
My name is Arr3rst.
Speak now, please.
My name is Arr3rst.
Where are you from?
Igbo State. Of Nepal.
Imo State. How old are you?
16 years.
16 years. Stand up, let me see you.
My brother, this 1, 2, 3, they are the same mother, the same father.
3 of you are from the same mother,
The same father.
the same father. Have you spoken to your parents? Where are your phones?
This is our
You're taking all your phones. Who brought you to Ghana?
I wait baby I want e yan kola sebe obi o ko ba ye se ye be mo adwuma odu o se ba onam na ba nwuram kwajokum sa. These are things that are there. As sebe we should talk about it. It obi kase this guy is a national threat. He is a national threat because ultimately no all money maybe by society man is not way. Me ya tete niam bebre but the national security omo ya hwemtime fa antudwa. Nia amba no ye nyina behu se e your time keke and now say this guy needs to be stopped long time ago. Na nia me kan say yen ye bogana ho ban. Ye Ghana for Ghana ye man ye mobi ma na sabe on fa ye nan ene ye nsa emetiatia baby. Oka Ghana me say waka me boa me no bedini no. Ti waki niam na wo ye ni na ye bon kutu. Na ye be hwegu ho. Ye hwegu wo wi a 1000 years in jail. I Xposed GHFM Bembro right. Share me to manasa ka manwesi.